Hello kids, welcome back once again. Today also we will see a story. So till now we have seen how many stories, children? Uh, a thirsty crow story, that is the story of the thirsty crow. A crow was very thirsty. Second comes the greedy dog story we have seen. Then musical donkey story we have seen. Now today we have seen the grasshopper story we have seen. The ant and the grasshopper, the hare and the tortoise. Right children? So like that we have seen English stories too. So now we will see a story of a crow, but this is a story of see here, the greedy crow, not the thirsty crow, the story of the greedy crow. The greedy crow. See, Pigu the pigeon. Pigu. Who is Pigu? The pigeon. Pigu the pigeon lived in a field but. Lived in a. So where did he live? He lived in a field but. Visited a nearby house. Lived in a field but visited a nearby house daily. So what happened? See here. Pigu the pigeon. So what is the name of a pigeon? Pigu. What is the name? Is Pigu. See, Pigu the pigeon lived in a field but visited a nearby house daily. So what he did? He was living in a field but he was visiting a nearby house daily. He was making a visit. So what happened? In the winter months, Holly the housekeeper. That means in the winter months, what happened? The Pigu who was visiting a nearby house daily, in that house, Holly, the housekeeper, helped him, that is helped Pigu in making a nest on a tree. See, Holly the housekeeper, what he did? He helped Pigu in making a nest on a tree. So what happened? Near her kitchen garden. So where she was helping? She was helping near her kitchen garden. What was she helping? In making a bird's nest on a tree. In making a nest on a tree. For whom? For Pigu. For whom? For Pigu. So what happens? See here. The meals cooked by Holly were of no use to Pigu, as he used to eat grains. Because what were the meals which we cook, that will be no use for him, that is no use for the Pigu. So this is a bird, right? So that will be no use for Pigu, and as he was accustomed to eat, he was used to eat only the grains. But those tasty meals did attract a crow. So those tasty meals which didn't attract to him attracted a crow. So what happened? So the crow, he befriended Pigu. Now we will read once again the para. See, this is the story of a greedy crow. See, this is the story of a greedy crow. Now see, the greedy crow. Pigu the pigeon lived in a field but visited a nearby house daily. He was making a visit daily to a nearby house. In the winter months, Holly the housekeeper helped Pigu in making a nest on a tree near her kitchen garden. So what happened? The meals cooked by Holly. Holly means who? The housekeeper. So the meals cooked by Holly were of no use to Pigu. As he was used to, he used to eat grains. He was accustomed to eat only the grains. But those tasty meals which Holly would prepare would attract a crow and not a Pigu. So it attract a crow, and crow can't have that, right? Because crow is not there who would visit the house daily. So what he did? He thought of a plan. The crow thought of a plan. He befriended Pigu. That means he thought, why not I would make a friend and his friend I would be there, and daily in his absence I would go there. One day in the absence of Pigu, that means when he was not there, the crow hid himself in the nest. That means what happened? One day when he was not there, what happened? The crow hid himself. Hid himself means he hided himself in the nest. So he was in the nest. He managed to enter the kitchen soon after Holly had cooked lunch. Soon after, because in the kitchen garden near to only they have made a nest on a tree for him and not for him. So what the crow did? In the absence of Pigu, that is, in the absence of him, the crow hid himself means he hid himself in the nest, and he somehow managed to enter the kitchen soon after Holly had cooked lunch. Soon after she cooked lunch, he managed to enter to the kitchen. So what happened? But as the crow tried to steal food, he was stealing the food, he was trying to steal the food. Holly saw him. She hit him so hard that he limped back to the nest where Pigu was sitting. So what happened? See, she saw him. The housekeeper, she saw him. It's a crow. It's not a one for whom she was making this lunch. So it was a crow. She hit him so hard that he limped back. He limped back to the nest where Pigu was sitting. So Pigu advised him to never be greedy again. So what he advised? He is a good. So what he advised? He advised the crow to never be greedy again. Never to be greedy. So he advised him never be greedy again. So see, again we will read the story. We should never be greedy. So here the story is about the greedy crow, right children? See, story, the greedy crow. Pigu the pigeon, I am going very slow, just try to understand. Pigu the pigeon lived in a field but visited a nearby house daily. In the winter months, Holly the housekeeper helped Pigu in making a nest on a tree. See, in making a nest on a tree, which was near her kitchen garden. The meals cooked by Holly were of no use to Pigu, as he used to eat grains. But those tasty meals which Holly would prepare did attract a crow. So the crow befriended Pigu. So what he did? He befriended Pigu. One day, in the absence of Pigu, the crow hid himself in the nest. He hid himself in the nest when he was not there. He managed to enter the kitchen soon after Holly had cooked lunch. Soon after Holly, the housekeeper, prepared the lunch, what he did? He somehow managed to enter the kitchen. But as the crow tried to steal food, as he was trying to get the food, snatch the food, Holly saw him. Holly means who? The housekeeper saw him. What is he doing? So she hit him so hard that he limped back to the nest where Pigu was sitting. So what he advised him? Pigu advised him to never be greedy again. So what he advised? To never be greedy. We should never be greedy. What we have, we should be happy with it. And we should never expect more. So we should never be greedy again. This was the story about a crow who was greedy. The story name is The Greedy Crow. The Greedy Crow.